Hey y'all, today I just got something in the mail from Mr. Rudolph A. Gibson Jr., aka my father. He sent me some pictures. Now these are long lost pictures from our house in Sandy, Oregon, 53470 East Highway 26. I lived in Sandy, Oregon between the years of 1980 to 85. That's 8th grade through high school. That's our side door of our house. I got a something for something, I don't even know. Look at that hair, my goodness. Look at me. Just look at me. Yeah, that's me. That right there. And my sister, Miss Tanya Gibson. Look at that girl hair. See the background? You could walk for days and not hit nothing. That was a clear cut behind the house there, on our mountain where we lived at. Again, me again with my degree or achievement. That might have been a track thing. 8th grade, I believe this might have been. Yeah. See, hey, I was going through my cowboy stage. My mama sent me some boots and the hat. Linoleum floors in a high school walkway. Wet water equals ankle almost getting broke if you slip with these kind of boots on with no action grip on the bottom. That's a Volkswagen convertible. My stepmother Terry had that. Fuel injection ran awesome. See, here's another one of me. I think, what part of the house was we in? That's the kitchen. Yeah, that's the kitchen. Yeah, I recognized the AM radio. And, I had the R on the neck. Look, that was me back then. Yeah, that part. Another one of my sister. Oh, yeah. She had plaits. My dad did that most likely because my stepmom, the other persuasion, she didn't know how to do that. My dad, he did plaits awesomely because he had 5 sisters. So, Miss Gibson, I see you. Little Miss Gibson, shall I say. Hey, looking like my Auntie Avis. Hey, y'all, I'm just letting y'all see what I see. Just sharing, letting y'all see a little bit of me. Gotta go. Y'all have a blessed day. One other comment about this picture. If you look in the background, you will see the outside window of the house. Now, where we lived, there was no street light. If you walked out the house, it was pitch black. It's about black enough where you maybe could see your hand, maybe you couldn't. But you definitely couldn't see a person in the distance. For the first few years we lived in that house, we had the double pane windows. My dad did not put up a curtain. He hung a sheet over the window. But before he did that, if you looked at that window at nighttime, only thing you could see was you. You could not see out. It reflected back at you. Do you know how scary that was? For the longest, knowing that someone could be looking at you, but you couldn't see them. And the whole downstairs of the house had glass all the way around. 3 windows in the front and one's on the side of the kitchen. We were on the kitchen side, aka the front door. Boy, that was scary. Hard to get used to until we put that sheet up. I'm telling you. But now that I know what I know, if you walk outside and get out of the street light, the light shadow of the house, your eyes will readjust and you'll be able to see things. Keep that in mind, guys. You can do that. That view, wow.